Hey y'all, welcome back to today's video. So y'all have been asking me to do a perm reset, and even though that is not my strong suit, here I am doing that just for y'all. But before I get into today's video, if this is your first time here, I'm Faren. I do natural hair, skincare, and lifestyle type content. So if you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor. 'Tis the season for giving. You should go ahead and subscribe to my channel. At least give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and leave a comment down below if you decide to join the community. Now, let me see how I'm going to do this. Right now, I'm only comfortable with doing perm resets on blown out hair. So Fred has been blown out, and y'all, I have been using so many mousses lately that I didn't know which one I was going to use for today. So I've never used this combination for a perm reset, so fingers crossed this comes out okay. Let me know down below if you guys have tried these products. It's the Alikay Naturals lemongrass leave-in conditioner and their styling mousse. I used to use this all the time for wash and goes and just to like really set my hair really quick, but I have not tried it for a perm reset, so we're gonna see how this goes. And then also, I haven't tried the purple for a perm reset. Hopefully it'll work without giving me too small of a curl, but I don't want to use orange because I always use orange, and I don't feel like my hair is that long. I'm just going to use smaller sections. So enough rambling and stalling, let's go ahead and get into this. So I went ahead and did a practice row because I don't think y'all understand how nervous I am. And if this is a fail, we fail together, okay? So what I did was I took my leave-in and I just am spraying my hair just because I just want to make sure my hair is moisturized. But my hair is so straight and feels so soft. It's crazy. So I'm just using one pump of the mousse. That's it. And like I said, I'm taking smaller sections, right? Okay, so I'm gonna take my brush, brush that through. And then I have to get quiet to do this part, and I have to look at my mirror. It's over here. So I make sure that I get my ends really well. Make sure they are really snug on the perm rod. And I try to like slide it down, keep it taut, keep it smooth. And then once it's on there good, I do the little windmill situation. Then I roll it some more, making sure to not overlap, giving the candy cane effect. And then I wrap it again. And then I just kind of, these things are like snagging on my hair, but I just wrap it again. Some people like to like windmill it again. I'm not. And then where the hair is coming across is where you want to snap it across. This is honestly what takes me the longest part. My hand-eye coordination is basura. Got it. Okay, so that's what one looks like. Okay, let's try that one more time. So while I'm doing this, y'all, I need for you guys to give me a suggestion or some suggestions of a mousse that I can use, that I can do a wet set, like a wet perm reset, like my hair, like a perm reset on wet hair. Y'all know what I mean. I have quite a few in my stash. I have all of them from the 𝐸 and I have a 𝐒𝐮 set, but I really want to try something new. And of course I'll try Lotta Body. So if y'all suggest Lotta Body, I will get Lotta Body, but like I'm gonna do a video with it. So if there's one that's new that you kind of want to see, like let me know so I can purchase it. And we'll take it from there. We'll try it on wet hair. How does it even look, y'all? And I make sure that my perm rod is going like up and down and not like across, just because I want my roots to be as taut as I can possibly get them. So I'm gonna keep going. Y'all, you know, just keep your fingers crossed that this turns out okay, and hopefully it's not a fail. But if it is, you can't win them all. It takes practice. I'm not gonna beat myself up about it. I'll just put it in a cute little puff. So I'll see you guys in a few.
Daydream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for. Possibilities and
So the perm rods are installed, and it took me literally 2 hours to put these into my head. Don't say I ain't never done nothing for y'all. Don't say I am not committed. So I'm going to sit underneath my dryer for about 20 minutes. It's past my bedtime and sis has to work tomorrow. So we'll come back tomorrow and take these bad boys down and hope that it was really worth all this. All right, I'll see y'all tomorrow.
carry the winds, drown out the rain, but will it make sense?
These are my final results. Sorry my battery died as I was taking my hair down. I was going to show y'all how I separated and fluffed and all that jazz, but I decided to just let my battery charge while I finish getting ready. So these are the final results, and I have some thoughts. First and foremost, I quit using the leave-in conditioner. It was just an extra step, and honestly I don't think it changed the results of my hair at all. My hair feels fine in the front. It feels no different than the back where I was using the leave-in. So definitely don't need to do that when you are doing this perm rod set on stretched dry hair, in my opinion. Secondly, I would like to say that I really didn't need to use a lot of this. It wasn't sticky. I was really surprised by how soft the hole was. Like, I was nervous about it because I thought as I separated I was gonna get a lot of frizz, but my hair separated with ease. Of course, I put oil on my fingers. I don't know what the back of my hair looks like, so just leave a little heart in the comments if it looks okay, or like a little thumbs up. I would highly appreciate that, but I like it. I feel like my hair looks a little short, but that's because I did use those purple perm rods when I'm used to using orange, but I like the look of it. I just wish Fred was a little longer. Despite the fact that it took so long for me to insert these perm rods, and I feel like I just need to work on my technique, I feel like it came out well. I don't know how long it's going to last, but I'm gonna try my best without frizzing it up. But yeah, comment down below and let me know what you guys think of my perm rod set. Don't forget to leave me suggestions on what type of mousse I can try on my wet hair for a perm rod set, because I'm inspired. I want to try it now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you guys really soon.